This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Mauricio Moore. Magazine Perfect Top Designer House. A dream come true home. White clean line curb appeal west/luxe details curated throughout. Meticulous landscaping surrounds the entire outdoor area, pool deck, outdoor barbecue/kitchen entertainment area. Wide open floor plan exudes light and sophistication. 4 bedrooms all with ensuite baths with rain showers offer privacy with a split plan. Top of the line finishes, hardware, fixtures, and appliances. About the neighborhood, Morningside, Miami's first historic neighborhood, is a gated community of approximately 500 homes just blocks away from the Biscayne Bay. It is located in a section of Miami known as the Upper Eastside, to the east of Biscayne Boulevard from northeast 50 Terrace to northeast 60.